part of the welcome packet. Oh, this is the, there you go, the catalog. So I got my product today, and we're unboxing it. I'm so excited! Oh. So this is the set that we're getting, that I'm getting.
What is it? Any pencil, but a pencil.
We believe everyone can flourish by being good to themselves and their community and the planet. Like that. Ooh, look at this one. Energy Fistics. This is pomegranate flavor, and it comes with 30 sticks, so it's good for 30 days. And that was the energy drink, all natural ingredients. And this is the strawberry. This is the new one, ginseng energy Fistics with caffeine from green tea and banana. So I'll be trying all of this. That's also for 30 days. And we have, oh, this is the body cleanse. 7 packets. Comes with the 7 packets. This one is the Digestion Plus. It's a lot. And I love this one, Green Balance, with fruits and vegetables. If your kids are not, you know, a vegetable fruits eater, this is a very good supplement for that. Also, this is tea. It's a caffeine free, and those are, this is for good for detox. This is citrus, probably citrus, and this is, yeah, it's the same. Next is, excuse me, this is, ooh, I'm so excited to try this one, Daily Fiber Boost. And this is the protein shake. This is chocolate flavor. So I have 2 chocolate. Dixie! Here's my dog. Oh, extra, always extra. 1.5 kilogram, 1.26 kilogram powder. So it's Dixie, vegan, gluten free. As you can see, this is the ingredients. I want to see what you have there. I want to see. Are you excited to try Arbonne too? And this is the vanilla flavor. Actually, this is for, wow, what's that? And this is my kit. Arbonne Johnny.